Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 12th July 2024. Sales of electric cars in June plunged 13.5% from the year earlier, having suffered a marginal drop in May, triggering fears that the Indian market may be following global trends. After last year's euphoria, domestic sales slumped to 20% growth in the January to June period to 46,845 units. That's down from a 135% surge in the same period last year, prompting Tata Motors and others to recalibrate expectations. The Employers' Provident Fund Organization or EPFO has recovered Rs 61 crore from SpiceJet towards Provident Fund dues, with the remaining amount under assessment. SpiceJet denies the EPFO's claim of partial recovery and states that all dues have been deposited. The airline acknowledges a lack in some deposits but affirms clearing dues as a priority. EPFO has initiated an inquiry for penal damages and interest on delayed payments. Compliance with monthly filing deadlines is crucial to avoid interest charges of 12% per annum. SEBI has outlined the filing requirements for alternative investment funds or AIF schemes that opt for a dissolution period to deal with their unliquidated investments. AIF schemes entering into the dissolution period must file an information memorandum through a merchant banker before the expiry of the liquidation period or additional liquidation period of the scheme. The information memorandum and due diligence certificate format is attached as an annexure to this circular. The circular shall be effective immediately. Canadian investor Brookfield said it has bought a controlling stake in Leap Green Energy, a Tamil Nadu-based renewable energy company. Brookfield said it has made an upfront commitment to make an equity investment of over $200 million in Leap Green through a subscription of new shares and acquisition of shares from current shareholders. Additionally, Brookfield has the option to infuse further $350 million of incremental equity capital to support future growth of the business. Mumbai-based sleep solutions startup The Sleep Company is setting its sights on profitability and a potential initial public offering as it rapidly expands its physical presence across India. The company, which recently opened its 100th company-owned, company-operated store in just 2 years since venturing into offline retail, is aiming to achieve profitability by financial year 25 end and go public within the next 2 to 3 years. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.